How to open Jeep Wrangler hood updated. Most people get this wrong by pulling the latch too hard or not knowing about the two-step system. The surprising truth is that Jeep Wrangler hoods have a safety latch to prevent accidental openings. Start inside the vehicle. Locate the hood release lever on the driver's side under the dashboard. Pull it firmly, you'll hear a click. This unlocks the primary latch, but the hood will not fully open yet. Many people stop here and think it's ready. Next, move to the front of the Jeep. Slide your hand under the center of the hood and locate the secondary safety latch. Push or lift it while lifting the hood slowly. Make sure the hood is fully supported with the gas struts or prop rod before working underneath. When closing, gently lower the hood to about a foot above the latch and let it drop into place. Avoid slamming to prevent misalignment or damage. In conclusion, opening a Jeep Wrangler hood requires a two-step sequence: interior lever first, then exterior safety latch. Follow this method for safety and easy maintenance access.